Hello viewers, we are back with a new exciting crochet tutorial. We are going to tell you how to make an easy mobile bag. We are using 3 crochet and this dark brown color 4-ply wool and this multi-shaded wool. Both we will use. Now we are going to make the chains. Like this we will make the chains according to the size of our mobile. You can adjust the chains according to your mobile size.
20 chains. Okay,
So now our chains are complete. 20 chains.
one skip and the second last.
After skipping one,
simple stitch. Okay, in every stitch,
in every hole or in every stitch we will take a
simple stitch. Okay, the first row is completed and the second row turn one simple stitch. Okay, and two simple stitch. Okay, and three simple stitch.
3 simple stitches.
In the corner and then back, second row, start. Okay, simple stitch in every stitch. Okay,
In every stitch, simple stitch. Now we are going to start our third line. Before that we will make the corner using half double crochet.
one, two, okay, and 3. Okay, and this line, this loop. Okay, half double crochet, first loop, okay, again first loop, half double crochet,
like this we will proceed. Half double crochet we will make in this line.
this inner loop.
We are doing it from the inner loop. This way we are making the base of our mobile bag. We have reached the corner. Half double crochet,
Okay,
three half double crochet, so that we get a nice turn.
okay,
Now we will make half double crochet in every stitch.
inner loop,
From the inner loop, keep in mind.
okay,
Now we have taken a slip stitch and our this base is complete.
okay. After slip stitch, 2 chain,
First we will make 2 chains
and double crochet, okay, and start double crochet in every stitch, every 2 loops, okay, okay,
we will make double crochet. in every loop.
Okay.
Like this, our upward portion is started. We are making double crochet, and now we will make 5 more lines with the same pattern of double crochet.
After the row, every row complete, we will make a slip stitch and 2 chain and then double crochet in every row.
The pattern will be slip stitch, then after the slip stitch, when the new line will be started,
2 chain and double crochet.
You will make 2 chains and double crochet in every stitch, and you will repeat this pattern for the 5 lines. Okay viewers, so now we have completed our 5 double crochet lines above the base, and now we are going to use another color, multicolor wool, for the next lines of our bag. You can use the color you like, or you can also use one color, but we want it to be our multicolored bag, so we are using this multicolored wool. It also contains shades of brown and along with the off-white color. Using the 3 crochet, we are going to show you how to attach another colored thread. From this point we have brought it on the inner side. Simple. Tightening it.
Okay, 1 chain and
tie the both wools ends so that it does not loose, and you can make your work easily. It will not disturb you.
Okay,
1 chain,
2 chain and attach the slip stitch with the
corner hole, like this. First 2 chains, and then we have taken a slip
Repeat.
stitch. We will repeat it so that it will help you.
Okay,
like this.
and now start next row, double crochet, same pattern
As the below portion. Double
Okay.
crochet in every stitch.
Okay,
one time more like this. First two and then the next two. Like this you will make double crochet.